In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use your PayPal Business Debit MasterCard. This powerful tool can help streamline your business spending, and today we'll explore its features and uncover some tips to help you get the most out of it. To start, let's talk about spending directly from your PayPal balance. With your PayPal Business Debit MasterCard, you have the convenience of instant access to your funds as soon as payments hit your PayPal business account. There's no need to transfer money to your bank account. This flexibility allows you to use your card anywhere MasterCard is accepted, whether it's online, in-store, or for recurring payments. Plus, you can link your card to digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, making mobile transactions even more seamless. Now, let's dive into the benefits of earning cash back. With this card, you receive unlimited 1% cash back on eligible purchases. But here's the key. Transactions need to be processed as a credit, rather than using a PIN or ATM withdrawal, for you to receive the cash back. The rewards are credited to your account weekly, giving you a nice, consistent bonus. Additionally, you can enjoy extra savings through MasterCard's Easy Savings program, which provides merchant rebates globally. With qualifying purchases, you accumulate these rebates automatically, enhancing your overall savings. Next, let's cover withdrawing cash. You can access your funds at ATMs worldwide that sport the MasterCard RTM, Maestro SR, or Cirrus R logos. Be mindful of the transaction cost, which is around $300 per withdrawal, plus any fees the ATM owner might charge. Domestically, PayPal imposes a $1.50 fee for ATM withdrawals and $3 for teller-assisted transactions. For international withdrawals, there's a $1.50 fee plus a 1% foreign transaction fee, so make sure to weigh your options when dealing with cash in foreign currencies. Managing business expenses is also easier with this card. Pay vendors, suppliers, and cover overhead expenses directly out of your PayPal balance, eliminating the need for a separate bank account. You can even request up to 4 employee-linked cards, allowing you to monitor expenditures, set individual spending limits, and track each card's usage right from the PayPal dashboard. Security and control are crucial for any business, and this card offers robust tools in that department. If your card is ever lost or stolen, you can instantly freeze or unfreeze it through the PayPal app or dashboard. Set a personalized PIN for added security during ATM or in-person transactions. And with MasterCard's Zero Liability Protection and PayPal Purchase Protection. For eligible purchases, your transactions are always safe. Finally, let's touch on where the PayPal Business Debit Card truly shines. If you want instant access to your revenue without the hassle of bank transfers, if cash back on daily spending appeals to you, or if you seek to consolidate business transactions without maintaining multiple checking accounts, this card is an excellent choice. It provides both mobile and in-person flexibility with digital wallets and easy ATM access. That wraps up our detailed guide on optimizing the use of your PayPal Business Debit MasterCard. Enjoy the flexibility and benefits that come with it, and see how it can help make your business's financial operations smoother and more rewarding.